Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome or welcome back. I wanna say good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. It depends on the place you're watching me from. Today is another beautiful day with a very great, amazing video over here from the village. So today I wanna share with you some amazing, great activities over here in the village. But before that, have you subscribed, liked, shared, and also if you have a comment to leave behind, just comment down below, and I appreciate your love and support. So today it's another great day over here, guys. I'll be having a visitor today. But before that, I'll be sharing with you some amazing tips over here in the village. I'll be sharing with you what is happening over here. I know you have missed me, and we are always over here with you, sharing with you some great, amazing content each and every single day. You know, you're the people who give me an idea of what to do and how I can present it so that it can becomes a video, like, which is one, entertaining, secondly, informing what is happening, and thirdly, educating most of the people around the world about African village over here in Africa, also Kenya, near the border of Kenya and Tanzania, in Nyabohanse. So before that, or before receiving the visitor, I'll just be sharing with you some updates about what we have been doing over here in the village and what we have been doing. At first, we have been planting what we call like our our veggies over here, and the veggies we planted over here, we used a method called broadcasting. Broadcasting method is a method where you take some cereals or seeds and you throw them using your hands, your bare hands, like doing this way. That's one of the ways of planting uh veggies over here. You see, like this one. Also we have others here. You see some, for those who know black night black shade, they are here. And also we planted what we call like some more veggies over here at this serene environment of ours over here, like let me show you, because if I step, I might be stepping on those black nightshade. They're called spider plant. They're spider plant. They look here, we call them saga. So I just put this here to represent the spider plant. And also the nightshade plants, we planted them here. One thing I love about them, these are called black nightshade. You see the way they are. Soon we'll be transplanting them from this side to another zone. They did very well. They are doing pretty good, but the one that we broadcasted also, they are doing good. So the only thing is we'll be waiting for them to grow, then we want to be sharing with you what's happening over here. In other terms, today is a brand new day. We always say big surprise from USA, but for this is a big surprise from Africa to an African village. It sounds good. It's crazy, right? No way. It's amazing. So we're having also some fruits over here, like this is a pomegranate. For those who always know about fruits, we have pomegranate over here, we have bananas, all plantains. We also have what we call like langwats. There are a lot. We also have some mangoes over there and other stuffs. So before that, receiving visitors, you know, most of the people should say a visitor can come both with good intentions and bad intentions. But with me, to Claude Joseph, I always welcome each and every visitor that always come, despite where you're coming from, despite your race, despite your tribe. I always know that we are all one people, and we always share good vibes. And also, a home that receives visitors is a blessing home. Like my home, always every morning I wake up, I found some people waiting for Claude Joseph, or some people waiting for Minhawi, which is a very good sign of blessings, also a very good sign of a home that receives visitors. So this day today, I'll be expecting a visitor. So I'll be waiting for him, because for now he's at Burundian Travelers Home, and he said that he wanna pay a visit here. I know some of you already have connected the dots, and yeah, you have already connected the dots. Like he really cycled all the way from another country to this country where we are. It sounds crazy, right? Some of places like cycling They even fear riding a motorbike. Some fear even riding or driving a car from one country to another country. But with him, he said, I want to not use motorbike. I want to not use a car, but I want to just use a manual thing. And that will be my legs cycling on a motorbike all the way from the capital city of Tanzania to this side of Kenya, Africa. I know you might be like, it's a joke, but what I know very well is it's not a joke. He want to be giving us some clue about how he does this, and I know you also be eager to listen to his story, and he tell us what inspired him to use a bicycle to travel to Kenya. All right, see you there, guys. So I'll just fetch some water from here because I'll have to water the veggies. Then before that, I'll do what we call like welcome our visitor, so we can check. You know, you can hear one-on-one from him. Let me set my camera from there. So with us, we draw water from this well or from this borehole. It's very hectic sometimes drawing water from this borehole, but also this is a form of exercise. We have different activities done here in the village, in which I'd like to know or understand also at the comment section, how do people fetch water from your places where you come from, you know? So let's keep on doing our work. Oh yeah. I think that's enough. It's enough clean water. Then I wanna check what to do with it. So let me check water. We have some sukuma wiki also down there, where Mama planted sukuma wiki, and for now it's so sunny in the village. So and also take them down there, and we can check. I literally have to carry water using one hand. Just go and oh, the bird was almost shitting on me from this tree. Come on. So let me just try to water little by little. First I have to start watering our sukuma wiki. Sorry. Yeah. So we have some sukuma wiki over here, guys. Mama planted some sukuma wiki. We also have another one here, you see. You know, having sukuma wiki like this, all veggies around home, and it's in the village, is a very good sign, because sometimes it's very shameful for one to go and buy veggies and he stays in the village, and we have a kitchen garden like this, a very huge land where we can do just farming of veggies instead of going and buying them. So a small one there, because we cannot buy all veggies, or we cannot plant all veggies, but some like sukuma wiki, it's one which should be at home, every homestead. We don't need of buying them. So Mama just put here a small kitchen garden, and for now she's not around. I have to help watering because it's almost, you know, there are a lot over here also. Let me know in the comment section, guys, do you do some kind of the home activities or home chores like this? Like me, I'm watering this slowly. Oh, we also have a tomato here, so I have to look for a support of it, because it even break the support, you see. a very big tomato here with a lot of fruits. So I'll check on a big support for it, so that I can support it, so that the tomatoes can grow big over here. You know, if you leave them that way, they might rot, or they might not do well. So let me water this sukuma wiki, all kales. You know, if you plant such kales maybe near the river or near the water body, they do very well compared to the way you plant them in a mainland like this. You know, there's another sukuma wiki here. Another one here. Wow, the breeze for me. And then from here I'll take my motorbike to go get washed, maybe after the visitor, because it's so that it has been working or overworking the whole week. It was our land in Africa. So also the tomato must have a lot of water this way. Let me first look for a support for this, then I wanna water it, because before that it will be crazy. I think this will be better for this tomato if I put it this way. I squeeze it down, then I take this tomato and put it up this way. Okay. Well, now it's up that way, you can just be able to water it. Yeah, I think now it's better, best this way. Just a little farming, small farming. When sometimes I'm at home, I feel lonely, so for me to break the boredomness, I just have to work, like watering flowers that way, watering kales or veggies, uprooting some weeds from the grass like this. The way you see, we have upcoming grass which will be very better, so I keep on doing some cleaning of maybe weeding. And also on this end we also have trees which I've been giving you a really nice update about them. So I was told the visitor is almost ready over here, so I want to give him a chance to be on my channel so that we can talk or have 1, 2, 3 with him. Then we want to continue with our work over here in the village. All right guys, he's having a story with grandma. You know, he's from Tanzania, so I've been told that he's around, so they're having stories with grandma. So I have to... Hey bro.
Hey.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
I'm seeing grandma is giving you some stories, man.
Grandma, she's giving me a lot of stories.
A lot of
here.
stories.
Yes,
Some are
I'm enjoying being
some of the stories are lies.
No.
Bibi.
Those are true.
Unampigia stories za uongo?
Asija uongo ni ya ukweli.
Those are true stories.
Yes.
Welcome, bro.
Thank you so much.
Feel free,
Thank
man.
you so much. I'm
Yes.
happy to be here with the Claude Joseph.
Yes.
Yes, guys. I go by the name of the Datus.
The Datus.
Yes, I was here with the Bibi.
Yes.
Yeah, we have been talking.
Yes.
Baby, she was giving me a lot of stories about Tanzania.
About Tanzania, yeah.
She know a lot about Tanzania.
She comes from Tanzania.
She told me that she comes from Tanzania.
Guys, for the new subscribers, this is my lovely grandma.
Yeah.
Lately she has been but she has been so sick with diabetes. But I thank God I'm beating it. You know, she's really fighting against it, and she's really doing pretty good. Even she has changed health wise. She couldn't even walk by herself, but for now I give thanks, man. She's doing really pretty good, and she's always happy. Baby, say hi, say hi. So sometimes I usually make some jokes to keep the bottom from her.
Okay.
Yeah, man, the Duchess.
That is good. She
Yeah,
told me
yeah.
about those things about the baobabs.
Yes.
And I told her when I was coming,
Yes.
I saw a lot of baobabs. I didn't know that she likes baobabs. Maybe I could catch some for her.
She used to make porridge with baobabs.
With baobab. Yes,
Yeah,
I was
baobab
talking.
seeds.
I was asking her, have you ever tasted the porridge mixed with baobab?
Eh.
She said, we used to drink that porridge.
Oh, baby. Haya,
I told her,
baby.
next time when I will be back, I will come with the baobabs.
Huyu ni mgeni kutoka Tanzania, baby. Uko kwenu.
Namjua.
Unamjua? Eh, kuna vitano. Eh.
Huyu ndo aliniponesha, huyu ndo
Safi
Mungu
sana.
wangu.
Eh, baby.
Kabisa.
Mungu endelee
Baby.
kumbariki.
Kabisa mimi nambarikia kila
Amina, baby. Amina.
huyu ndo baba yangu, ndo mama yangu,
Sawa,
Amina,
sawa.
baby.
ndo ndugu yangu.
Ndio.
Akanihurumia, akanipeleka
Mm.
sijui ya Kihanja, sijui ya wapi, sijui wapi.
Sawa, sawa.
Sema shukuru pia subscriber, waambie Mungu awabariki sana.
Mungu awabarikie vizuri sana. Hata mimi nakaa nabarikiwa na Mungu.
Amina. So guys, she was telling the Duchess that I'm like his brother, the dad, everything to her. Because when she was sick, I was taking good care of her. So she was giving some blessings. I've told them,
really appreciate that.
yeah, I told them also you
you
should appreciate the subscribers because are the people who also helped. So
Okay,
the Duchess,
okay, now-
welcome, bro.
Thank
Feel
you so
free.
much, thank you so
This
much.
is home.
Yes.
Maybe we can just have a small walk, or you wanna have a
no problem, no
yeah,
problem.
yeah, bibi. Wacha tupige mazungumzo kidogo na
Wapi?
hapa tu tunarudi.
Tunarudi.
Oh.
Eh,
Tena unaniwaje minyao na hapa tunakaa vizuri.
tunakuja bibi. Tuko hapa alafu tutarudi.
Tuko hapa.
Yeah. So guys, we're with the Duchess. I want to make him feel comfortable, like just give him some tips because sometimes maybe if you'll not be around,
Yes.
he can come. This is like your home.
Oh, thank you.
You can
so
come,
much.
feel
Thank
free.
You so much.
Yeah,
Yes, I'm
so-
happy being here. You know, those days we used to see when you was
Constructing.
constructing this house.
Yes.
And right now today I'm here. I
Yes.
feel good being here.
Man,
Yes, I feel
It's
good.
always
And
big.
these people, they used to say that I look like you. I resemble you. So
We look
Yeah,
alike, or we look again.
Yes.
Yeah,
So
guys.
comment there down below. Is that true?
Yeah.
Or maybe you don't see me clear. Let me do like this.
Like that.
You know, my hair, they are not good.
Why? Why
Since
is
I
that?
started traveling,
Yeah.
I was not combing my hair.
Don't worry,
So-
man. Even mine not
Yeah,
copying
they
it.
can't. Not looking. Okay.
Ah,
So
yeah.
guys, do you look
Alike?
do I look like Claude Joseph?
Yeah.
Comment there down below. Let me know.
At the comment section.
At the comment section.
Yeah, so the Duchess, this is our home.
Wow. You
This
have
is
a
the
nice
entrance,
compound,
and we have some goats over there also.
Wow,
We also
wow.
have some outside latrine.
okay.
And then from here also we have been having like a place to just chill. But from here, I know you are tired. We wanna go to the house, and you can have even a
The good thing, the weather here is good, and you have different trees around here. Hey guys, look the entrance how they designed it, this place.
it shows you love. The moment you cross by, from there it shows you like you're entering the lovely home.
Hey, it is like this.
Ah, the Duchess, man.
Wow.
Yeah, so welcome home and feel free. And maybe for the people who are watching you, man,
Yes.
guys, this guy actually he just cycled all the way from
Yeah,
Tanzania,
from the list.
from Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. It's the capital city of Tanzania.
Dar es Salaam is not the capital, but it's the largest city.
The largest city.
and the developed city,
City.
in Tanzania.
Which is the largest
capital
city? Is the capital
is Dodoma.
Dodoma.
Dodoma is our capital city.
Dodoma is the capital city.
But some people they always confuse
Between-
Dar es Salaam and Dodoma.
Dodoma, yeah.
But Dodoma is our capital city, and Dar es Salaam is the most the developed city. In
Which is the
Tanzania.
second largest city, or the second city?
The second okay. The second developed city in
Yes.
Tanzania,
Yes.
I think, is Mwanza.
Is Mwanza.
Yeah. Apart from Dar es Salaam is Mwanza. Dodoma is not developed like Mwanza or Dar es Salaam.
Okay, but according to the books we have been reading, knowing that Dar es Salaam is the capital city, and then Dodoma, and then we come back to Arusha, and then about what we call like Mwanza. But I think about the declarations is where Arusha was made. The declaration of those days back of the colonials.
Okay, I think those days they used to do those meetings,
Yes.
maybe of
revolutions about Africa.
About Africa,
The
in
AU,
Arusha.
African
They used
unity,
to conduct those meetings in
Yeah,
Arusha.
yeah.
But for us, Dodoma is our capital city.
The capital city.
But we used to, okay, we have the State House at Dar es Salaam,
Dar es Salaam,
also in Dodoma.
Dodoma.
Yeah.
Okay.
Before the late Magufuli,
Yes.
he decided to build another State House in Dodoma. So right now we have the State House in Dodoma and Dar es
In
Salaam.
Dar es Salaam.
Yes.
Guys, comment down below about the Arusha declarations and also tell us between down below, did you know that Arusha is not Arusha, but Dar es Salaam is not the capital city, it's the most developed city.
Yes.
Comment down below. I told you every day is a learning day, and today the Dutchess, man, you wanna come into our bulletproof house so that you can have even a cup of tea, man,
okay,
you know,
thank
so
you so much.
feel
Thank
free.
you
Babu,
so much.
vipi, uko ready? Kuna challenge gani tena mra? Uko na challenge tena mra? Don't say about the challenges, man. Talk about real facts. So guys, the Dutchess, this is my brother's house. Yeah, in African traditional society, I don't know, maybe in your place, we always say that the firstborn should be on the right hand side.
Okay.
Second born, third born, first born, but I'm the fifth born in my
You're
home,
the fifth one.
and I'm at the gate guiding the whole community. Yeah, this is my dad's home,
That is good.
my dad's and my mama's place, and grandma's house. I know you have been seeing them.
Yeah, I've been seeing this place on your channel.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, then welcome.
Thank you so much.
Welcome, bro.
Thank you.
Can feel free in our bulletproof house. Babu na alinge morango. You can just have a seat, bro. Then we can have a conversation. You tell us why you cycled from all the way from Dar es Salaam to here.
Wow.
Hey man, feel free.
Thank you so much.
Because now I have no wife in here. She has traveled to Mombasa.
Okay.
If she could be here, everything should
No
be
problem. Don't
But-
worry. No problem.
Do you take
No
milk?
problem, my brother.
Do you take milk?
Milk, I think. Thank you. I do take, but right now milk I'm full. because
Why don't you take
I
milk?
took the
Where did you take
I
milk?
do take milk.
Man,
But-
this is the first time being here.
Eh?
Even if your stomach is full, bro. Come.
Come. Enough.
Water? No way, man. You have to take milk, bro.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think what is
No, bro. It's your very first time in this home, and it's not good maybe to just to go that way without. Yeah.
Okay, ni mtini.
Eh?
Au ni ya kawaida?
Ya kawaida dukani.
Ya kawaida situmiagi sana.
Eh.
Ya kawaida yaga yanishinda. Unajua mimi nimekunywaga maziwa kubwa na nyama kubwa.
Teka chai basi wewe, mambo yako. Naona mambo yako mengi. Yaani wewe uko happy.
Yaani unajua nyama sila kubwa, maziwa kubwa yani changamoto. Mtindi ndo rahisi kunywa. Ila maziwa hivi yananipaga changamoto.
Yanakupa changamoto. Don't worry, bro. Have maybe black tea over here. The black tea will be better, right? Okay. Guys, don't worry, man. I'm a bachelor right now over here. I'm the senior bachelor. I'm the senior of the bachelors over here. So you can just have this one.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, bro.
Okay. Hey, you know, I used to see this place.
Yes, I know the sun is scorching. The sun is scorching much. But don't worry, bro. Yeah. So guys, we are here. Babu, tuwakunywa chai. Wewe acha kusema lunch mura. Lunch ni kwa nyuma. I don't know why most of the African boys they always say nimetoka kula lunch or anything or man. Have something. Yeah. Because sometimes my tea, you hear it has something inside like majan chai. Yeah, I love lemongrass. And napenda kuunga chai yangu. Yeah, so guys, we are here with the Dutchess. Please subscribe to his YouTube channel at the Dutchess. Show him some love. And we are going to have actually a story about how he traveled all the way from Dar es Salaam to Nyabohansi over here in Kenya, Africa by a bicycle, right?
By bicycle. Yeah.
It's crazy. Listen to this guy, a bicycle.
Surprised to hear that.
A bicycle, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's see how to say. Okay, enjoy.
Oh, thank
Okay,
you,
yeah.
thank you.
So guys, the Dutchess is done with Yeah, bro. So the that is done with maybe a small coffee that we had over here.
Thank you so much.
And
Thank you so
now,
much.
yeah, man. So
you.
tell us, like, how was the journey, bro?
The journey was good. Okay, there was some challenges, but I was prepared. I knew some challenges will happen, and I managed to cycle more than 1,100 plus kilometers.
1,000
1,000
1,000
plus
kilometers.
Yes.
Man, sometimes traveling even 5 kilometers. With me, we used to travel maybe 5 kilometers by leg to and fro, because from here to the border over there it's like 5 kilometers.
5 kilometers.
So
okay.
I used to school there. So for 4 years.
For 4 years.
Yeah,
Okay,
5 kilometers to and fro. That is 10
10
kilometers.
kilometers. Okay.
So, but it's a very challenging challenge. It's a very challenging journey, and it's a very challenging challenge. Maybe somebody can give us a challenge over here. Who can challenge him by cycling all the way from the city to this other village over here? So how was it like? You know, sometimes people might be feeling like, this guy crazy, how can he cycle all the way? How was it? Did you come just like water, always just like stop?
There was some challenges. Like there is a time I was rained on over 20 kilometers riding, and it was at night. You can imagine.
Oh my god, man.
At night, it is when it is raining, you can't see clearly, and there are cars passing, you know. So but I managed, and there are thick forests I was crossing, you know. There is a thick mountain called Sekenke. And there are those how do we call them?
Gorillas?
No. They are kind of gorilla.
Chimpanzees?
No, not chimpanzee.
The monkeys?
No, how do we call them? Yeah, they are monkeys. Yeah,
it's a family of monkeys,
yes,
right?
Yes, and the monkeys that in that mountain.
Yeah.
I think for those who saw the video in my channel, yeah, they can testify this.
Man, you know, sometimes monkeys are crazy. The monkeys, they misbehave. They can even take off your bicycle and ride. Imagine you're chasing a monkey on the bicycle.
You can grab your camera and run with it. You can imagine.
Bro, at first I wanna congratulate you by saying congratulations for making it over here.
Yes.
And we give back thanks to Almighty God because of the protection all the way up to this side.
That is
so
true.
Through that, like how because in a day you could be setting a day I could be cycling like 5 kilometers or 10 kilometers.
Okay,
how did you plan it?
Okay, I used to cycle around 125, sometimes 150 kilometers.
Oh, okay.
But 150 kilometers, I did it one day.
One day.
But I used to cycle 120. Sometimes when the road is I encounter many mountains.
Yes.
I used to ride at least 87 kilometers.
87 kilometers
per day.
For how many days now?
I used 9 days.
9 days.
Yes.
I'm
cycling.
Yes, this is like sometimes it sounds like a drama. Ni kama video, ni kama drama. For Kenyans, they know ni kama video, ni kama drama. Like a guy cycled by a bicycle. Because with us, we are so surprised sometimes when we see maybe Kinoyeves using his tricycle around. People are like, you know, they congratulate him. But with us, as we Africans, when we see somebody like you, we think you are mad. Maybe we think, what's wrong with this guy? How is he doing this?
They used to say, are you crazy? You know, when they saw me riding at that mountain called Sekenke, because that dangerous mountain here in Tanzania.
Oh man!
Because when you are crossing that, you have to be very careful because there are those animals. And that mountain is kind of dangerous. So sometimes they used to think like I am crazy, but I planned to do this and I was prepared to do this.
Guys,
mentally.
This is really crazy with me sometimes when I hear about it. And on the other end, also with you, it might give you a shock, like how did he really made it to this side by cycling? That's always a thought that always runs into somebody's head, everyone's mind. But with him, he made it. Why can't we congratulate him by subscribing to his YouTube channel and also encouraging him by an advice at the comment section? Man, give yourself another shout out over here.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Guys, I go by the name of V Datus. V means THEE. then space Datius is Datius. Kindly subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate your support.
All right, man. Instead of using a car, a plane, or a motorbike, what inspired you to use a bicycle?
I really believe in okay. First of all, I wanted to explore Tanzania and East Africa.
Yeah.
Because even after here, I'll be heading to Uganda.
Man, with a bicycle.
With a bicycle.
Man, you're becoming another big thing in Africa, bro.
Yes, I will be heading to Uganda, and then I will see if things will be aligned very well. I will continue to another country, maybe Rwanda, then Burundi.
You know what?
Yes.
You're becoming, I have this vibration with me.
Oh.
You are becoming another big thing in Africa.
Okay.
You'll be like an African traveling with a bicycle all around in Africa.
Yes.
With us here we see as a normal thing. But if you could do this in outside African countries, you'd be like,
this guy.
We fail to congratulate or to appreciate ourselves or our own.
Yes.
But we appreciate other people's.
Yes.
But with me, I want to change this narrative, and we say we can appreciate our own, and we can give credit to our own. Man, guys, you can hear this guy is like, he is really cycling from Tanzania to Kenya, and not only just here. You simply can say, now here, but from Dar es Salaam to this side. Most people, like when we are in this side, it's not easy for you to use this route of Mwanza to Dar es Salaam because it's so long journey.
Yeah, it's a
but it's very easy for us to travel by from here to Nairobi to the other side of Arusha and cross by. It's very easy by saying so. Even most of the people who are in Tarime, they use this side of traveling back to Kenya. Going back the other side to Arusha to Dar es Salaam. But with you came direct this way. It's really crazy, man.
It's a long journey.
It's a long journey. Yeah, guys. So let's and also, what inspired you? Because you were like, okay, because there's those people who always do their work without documenting them. But you said, I want to document it on YouTube.
Yes.
What is the mission again towards that?
Okay, my dream is to become a traveler, and my dream which is to become a world traveler. So, and my inspiration always comes from Kenya.
Yes.
I used to watch you guys traveling to different countries. So you guys really inspire me a lot.
Yes.
Yes, I'm an electrician by profession, but I really wanted at least to do YouTube.
Yes.
Because I see a big picture of me doing YouTube.
Yeah.
I think in the near future you explain very well about that. But I really see a big picture on YouTube, and my dream is to travel around the world. So I was like, right now, my budget is kinda not that big, so it is better. Let me start with what I have.
Absolutely.
So I just started by cycling, and then later I'll be graduating to bus and aeroplanes, just like that.
That's how it goes. That's why I told you you're going to become a big thing in Africa. That's why I can feel it. As you have said that the most of inspiration came from Kenya.
Yes.
I saw you the other day. You tattooed Ayamara on your right hand side. Why didn't you tattoo it on the left hand side? Oh man, I thought it was an inner. I thought it was just an ink, but it's a real one.
This is the real tattoo.
Man.
Ayamara is my role model.
Yes,
because Ayamara is the one, I think I started watching Ayamara many years ago, and Ayamara is the one who inspired me to become a content creator. Yes, he's the one who inspired me to become a content creator, and I used to see him helping different people, and this is the way of appreciating what he have been doing to people. Because you can imagine, Maro, if he could decide to stay with the information about YouTube, just teach his family and his friends. No one could maybe believe that you can make a living or you can employ yourself on YouTube. So for me, I felt like, and it is not easier for a successful person to give the secret or to show you the way. He can give you money, but he can't show you the way how to make money.
It's in a short way, like giving the fish without showing people how to fish.
How to fish.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
So for me, I saw like Marwa is the special person in this world, and I showed us the way what to do, and they have been supporting different people.
Yes.
So inspired me a lot even to be a content creator. And right now here I am, and I decided to start to visit Nyabohanse, because this was my dream, to visit the village where my inspiration really come from.
Wow.
And I used to see these people here, Claude Joseph, traveling to different countries, you know.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
man.
travelers, they are here in Nyabohanse, you can imagine.
How do you see yourself? Because this is something like it's somebody's and every person's dream.
Yes.
Who or somebody who wishes to be after maybe 2 or 3 years, how do you see yourself in 5 years to come?
In 5 years to come,
yes.
I believe I'll be somewhere better. Yeah, I'll be I don't know even how to explain this, because
sometimes you want to look back to this video and you say like I did an interview with Claude Joseph.
With Claude Joseph.
Yes.
Okay, I really see a big picture on YouTube, because okay, my plan is just to do YouTube, and when my YouTube maybe will grow, I'll be able to empower other people in this world. Those people.
Sorry, my wife is calling. I don't know what's happening. Hey, babe, hi, how are you? I'm on an interview, please, kindly. I'm on an interview with the Datus. Yes, kindly. All right. Sorry, guys. Sorry for the interruption. My wife just called. She wanted to just check on me. Yes.
Okay, so my plan, my dream in the near future, I believe I'll be a big content creator from Tanzania.
Yes.
And I'll be able to inspire other people that, a lot of people nowadays, they really struggle with the government, maybe to be employed.
Sometimes,
I think, the growth of people, it is not easier, all of them to get to be employed by the government. So I see we can employ ourselves on YouTube and other platform online.
It's a free platform, of course.
So I think I will inspire other people to join YouTube. Also, I'll be able to do different things, because on YouTube I'll be creating videos and earning money. So I'll be able at least to support my family and also my life. I'll be able to improve my life, and because I really like YouTube for sure. I'm an electrician, but I really like YouTube because you do something which you really love. Really like to travel. And right now, at least we are still young and we have the energy to do it. I felt like it's better I do it right now.
I'm not promising this, but I'm wishing you success. I can't promise you that I can't promise you that I can give you success, but I'm wishing you that all the best ahead.
Thank you
Which
so much.
is that one country that you are really into it, that one day I wanna step my leg into this country and I'll feel my heart being relieved?
Jamaica. Jamaica.
Oh my God.
You know those people, the vibe, the climate there. I feel like one day, for sure, I really desire to visit Jamaica. Jamaica and the UK.
It can't go so. My people, the Jamaican, they say, they always say for each and every person over here, Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica. Jamaica, smile for me, Jamaica, something like that. Jamaica, you're all well loved by Africans over here, and every youth over here in most of Kenya, like not every youth, but from Nyabohanse, if you do ask anyone that which is the best favorite country that you wanna die on, everybody mention Jamaica, which is very nice. And
I think the hospitality, the vibe, you know, they really vibe like Africans, you know, and the weather there, the climate, it looks good. So I would like to visit Jamaica and see the real vibe we used to see on other content creators.
Yes.
To sit in
real life situation. All right, man, guys, from here we want to just go because I want to take him back to Tanzania today. Reason being because he came with a passport, but with me I want to take you to Tanzania without a passport for lunch. So before this, I don't want to just make you so much exhausted because you come here. I couldn't just go to the kitchen and cook, but I want to take you for lunch, to do what we call like to just for me like a sort of appreciation for you coming to the village and for that love that you have for this village. So I want to cross by with you to Tanzania. And, without your passport stamped. Without my passport stamped. So we want to just jump in Tanzania and we have a very nice nyama choma. Do you take ugali?
I do. Yes,
yeah, nyama choma?
I do.
Okay, guys, we're going to go there and just have something. So this video is not going to end here. So we keep on going there and we want to check what's happening over there. So we'll be right back after the break. Please check out that is and subscribe to YouTube channel. And of course, remember we are actually on the track running to 30,000 subscribers. Don't follow me, guys. Don't follow me. We say so. So they always say there's a car I read that don't come near me. I wanna slap you. Also, I'm lost. I don't know where I'm going. But guys, let's all focusing. We're on the road to 30,000 subscribers. And of course, know that Claude Joseph, I love you. Show him some love, Didatius, and we'll be right back
and
after.
If you're from my channel, kindly subscribe to Claude Joseph.
They say we look alike.
Yeah. Comment there down below if it's true.
Yeah, man. So comment down below in the comment section.
Yes.
So see you after the break. All right. Yeah. So guys, let's head to Tanzania, and we see what we can have. Let me take back the Dutchies to Tanzania.
Guys, we're going back to Tanzania.
Yeah.
Without a passport.
Yeah, without a passport. Oh, do you have your passport there?
No.
So let's go.
Alright.
Let's go just have some lunch. You know, in Tanzania.
Yes.
No, over here in our place, you can just go have lunch in Tanzania.
And come back.
Pita ka hapo nyuma. And come back. Alright guys, let's go and see.
Let's go, guys.
Yeah. Let's go and see.
Yeah.
Go have lunch. Yeah, so guys, we are in Tanzania actually. So let's just have what we have. We can have our lunch in Tanzania and we head back in Kenya. So that's it. Welcome to Tanzania without a passport. This is the beautiful Tanzania that you see over here. So we are cruising by in Tanzania. So you just have to mingle with your food so that you can just check. Yeah. So as we are having this, you must have the ugali, which is really made from so we are trying this. Actually, he traveled all the way from Tanzania, so to this side, which is really great and nice. So that is
the lunch here with the Claude Joseph.
Yes.
We are in Tanzania right now.
I promise to take you back to Tanzania. So
I'm back home without a passport.
Absolutely, man. Okay, so let's have this, and we wanna see what's having. So we're having a spider plant, then the nyama choma over here, and we've got. So enjoy, bro.
Thank you so much.
Bon appetit.
Thank you.
All right. Hope you're enjoying, bro. Yeah. Tanzania just for lunch. CJ is almost finishing, but with him, man, no, we don't love ugali, bro. With us here, we are grown because of ugali. Every day, if ugali don't go in our stomach, if something is missing.
For our step food in Kagera is banana.
Banana.
Yeah, banana.
Oh man.
Or plantains. For other people, they call it plantains.
Okay.
Yeah, so that is our staple food. I grew up eating banana every day. So I can eat banana even for 7 months.
Oh man, you could have told me earlier. I could have taken you down here. We have where they prepare ugali and banana.
I do eat ugali. Yes, I do eat ugali. So no problem. I'm enjoying, guys.
Okay.
We have.
But sometimes you say earlier, hey, man, ugali not.
Listen, for me eating ugali, there's no any problem. Yeah, there's no any problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just enjoy, bro.
Yes, thank you so much.
I just decided to take you back home, where you can feel the vibe, where you can just speak the fluent Swahili.
And I managed to connect my.
Even you managed to connect your data.
Yeah, my data.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
You can communicate. Yeah. Alright, guys.
So now I can call people from home. Yeah.
And tell them you are still around. Alright, man. Enjoy.
Thank you. Thank you.
So we are literally over here riding back home, and I hope you enjoyed.
Yes, I enjoyed. Thank you so much for your hospitality.
Yes.
Guys, right now we are in Tanzania.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. I really
Alright.
appreciate what you have done today.
Yes.
Yes, thank you so much.
Welcome, guys. So let's go home and see what we can do still, and we appreciate it, man.